Oh, hey guys, washing dishes, what's new? One thing's for sure, always a daily routine. At least once or twice a day. Let's finish this. Done. So, good morning and welcome to the vlog. So, just got finished eating my breakfast and went on ahead and took some antibiotics because it actually helps me keep from getting pneumonia when I'm sick like this. But, I'm actually watching TV and I thought, right now would be a good time to go ahead and pause my DVD and get to taking my shower because we have church tonight and we always like to get ready early so that way, we could just like take our time, just, getting things done around here before we go to church. Oh, idea hatched. I kind of sound like Kimmy on Fuller House. Let's just say I watched that show. Oh my goodness. I watch it so many times that it just never gets old with me. Nothing ever does get old with me because, I can sit down and watch a Christmas movie like 4 or 5 times a day, just like one movie. And, my mom was like, turn that thing off. I mean, I know she kind of gets mad hearing the same thing over and over and over again, but, it just never gets old with me. Nothing ever does. But, fun fact, I actually am thinking about saving up some money to buy a vlog camera so that way I won't have to keep vlogging with my phone. But, it might just be better if, I just save my money and just, use my phone and my iPod. But, everyone's getting vlog cameras, so, I thought, why not? So, gonna be a little Christmas list, and this right here is my wish list. But, later on, I'm thinking about doing, like, a main video and just, like, do, like, a early Christmas wish list. Because, I thought it would actually be fun to do one a little bit early. So, hair is almost completely dry, so I went on ahead and hydrated my skin and primed it and put some concealer on. And now for the rest of it. Oh yeah, first of all, let's get the mail. So, grab the charger. And grab the package because, you know, I only open it like halfway so that way I can open it up for you guys. So, yeah, you're going to see like a little mini haul. Burger and curly fries. Gotta love mama. So, I just feel like laying here and just watching some Netflix all day and just like binge watch. Probably Last Minute Standing, but Last Minute Standing, what am I talking about? Last Man Standing, because I love Tim Allen.
Those feathers?
Yeah. So, wait, I forgot. I need my stand. It's hard to do it one-handed. So, I'm in the kitchen, and the reason why I had to get my tripod was because, you know, I decided to go on ahead and film a main video while I'm at this. And, you know, like, I don't know, maybe I should do, like, a main vlog, like, main video and vlog in one. I don't know, I don't even know where this is going to go, but, you know, I think I'll go ahead and just do, like, a little unboxing right now. And then, you know, like, later on do, like a little something extra for you guys. So, yeah, let's get into it. So guys, I actually ordered this like last month, and I was like, you know what, I can't wait till it comes. But you know, it actually feels like it takes forever for everything to get here. Oh my goodness. But you know, it's, you know, about everything you ever buy online is either from Hong Kong or China or Japan or wherever. But you know, it's totally like out of the United States, which is why it takes so long. But I already know what this is, and it's actually the KKW by Kylie Cosmetics, which is my favorite kind of makeup, of course, because you know I love my Kylie. Love you, Kylie. And you know, I'm really looking forward to, you know, swatching this, and I think I'll go ahead and do a little swatching for a main video. And just like save this one right here and in this vlog right here, and then go ahead and do like a main video of me unboxing this and doing a swatching, and yeah. But I wanted to end this vlog right here because, you know, that way I can go ahead and do this. That way I'll have at least a little bit of time to myself to where I can, you know, get the main video filmed, and then later on when I get the time, you know, like edit it. But you know, I do however want to end this vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I know you will. I know you will, because you know I enjoyed this. I enjoy vlogging and doing my lifestyle, you know, like everything that just involves life. You know, I want to be part of it. And you know, when it comes to like other vloggers, you know, I'm like, at least Alicia, because you know, she makes the most amazing videos ever. And you know, she's always been such a big inspiration. But I'm going to get off here and get to at least filming at least this first main video, and then be ready by the time my mom gets back to go to church. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.